Once upon a time, there were two brothers named Giuseppe and Johann. As a reward for freeing us, I give you this prickly pear. He had a habit of arching his eyebrow in a most evil way, the rabbit said. The Sahhar struck his staff against the ground, and in a flash of light, he had transformed into a dragon. You have magic objects that the seasons have given you. You have courage and a modicum of sense. And perhaps most importantly, you have opposable thumbs. Then Venkata raised the stone above her head, and shots of flame burst forth, singeing and burning the dragon's flesh till all that was left was a pile of ash.